How to recover deleted files from Google Drive. So, step one, you need to check the trash folder. Open Google Drive, go to Google Drive, and log in with your account. Now, access the trash. On the left hand menu, click trash or bin if you're using a different language. Locate the file, look for the file you want to recover. You can use the search bar at the top to filter files by name or type. Right click the file and then select restore. Step two, check shared drive. So if the file was part of a shared drive, the recovery process may differ. Go to shared drives in Google Drive, click shared drives on the left-hand menu, check trash in shared drives, open the specific shared drives and look for a trash folder. Only users with appropriate permission can see and restore deleted files from shared drives. Step 3, use Google Drive's search filter. So if you can't find a file in the trash or drive, use advanced search filter. Click the search box at the top of Google Drive. Click the search bar. Use advanced filters like documents, PDFs, files shared with you, or let's just say date modified. Search for the file and then review the results to locate the missing file. Now, next is if you can't see that, then contact the file owner. If the file was shared with you and is no longer accessible, it may have been deleted or unshared by the owner. So identify the file owner and then contact the owner and ask them to reshare the file or check their trash folder. And then use Google Takeout for backup. If you regularly back up your drive data using Google Takeout, you can recover deleted files from your backup. So go to Google Takeout and then select Google Drive and download your most recent backup. Extract the files, open the backup file on your computer, and locate the deleted file. And lastly, if you can't really do these things, then the very last thing to do is to visit Google support. Go to Google Drive Help, submit a recovery request, and then use the contact us option to explain your issue. Wait for resolution. Google support may be able to recover permanently deleted files in certain cases. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.